ready for takeoff, and we haven't gone anywhere yet, but I'm ready for a cocktail because I'm having to sit next to this. So we've only had just a couple drinks, but when the stewardess comes, I'm gonna ask them for some nose strips. Wake up. Hello, Texas.
We miss you.
Be there shortly.